Hello, dear brothers and sisters, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. You would be thinking why I am showing you this bed, what we are going to do with this bed today, and how it is gonna give you miracle in 1 hour. Dear brothers and sisters, if you want miracle in 1 hour, if you want miracle should be there in your life, then this is the powerful ritual with 1 pinch of salt. You need to spread on your bed. Suppose this is your bed, this is your bed, dear children, dear brothers and sisters, dear friends. You sleep here. A pinch of salt you need to sprinkle. Before starting this, I would request you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications. First of all, you need not to sprinkle the salt here on the quilt, on the mattress. You are going to sprinkle, you are going to throw rice here on the complete bed. This is your complete bed. You are going to throw salt on this complete bed, not on the quilt, not on the bed sheet, not on the mattress, but at this place where the mattress is lying. And in the four corners, suppose this is the first corner, this second corner, this corner, this one, third corner, this one, and the fourth corner would be this one. As you can see, this is the fourth corner. Here you will be putting 1 rupee coin, 1 cent, 1 penny, whatever denomination in your country it is. And in your mind, when you go to sleep, remember your God. Whichever religion, God you follow, you need to remember them. And in your mind, you need to ask for the financial freedom. You need to ask for that I should want to win the lotto. I should be completely free of the debt. Money should be flowing into my home. Money should be flowing into my house. As the title of the video also suggests, sprinkle little bit of salt on your bed, you will win the lotto. For 31 days, you have to make sure that the pinch of salt which you have sprinkled, which you have put on the bed, it is over there only. You are not going to change. The first corner will contain 1 coin. The second corner of the bed will contain second. Some people will win the lotto on 7th day, some will win on 11th day, some will win on 21st day, but majority of the people will be winning in 31 days only. Even if you have won the lotto on the first day, on the second day, 7th day, you should not skip this ritual in between. The salt has to be let down over there only, it should not go away. Once you have won the lotto, you have put the money into bank account, take the 4 coins, go to your church, your mosque, your temple, your any religious place and donate those 4 coins. Make sure to donate those 4 coins. If you are not going to donate them, then it will not help you. It will not give you the results. If you have any doubt or you want to know anything else, you can feel free to call us on the number which is there on your screen. We will be there to answer all your questions, dear brothers and sisters. Till that moment, I would request all of you that please put a comment if you want any specific video. We will be there to answer all your comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.